Hi everyone, this is Imamur. So this is our Laravel 5th class. So in today's class we are gonna make something special. We are gonna make the brand supplier page in today's class. So in a e-commerce website, in a dashboard, also a brand supplier page is also most important in a e-commerce website. So in the previous video you can see, I think we have made a product details page. So if I go to our folder, so what we will do in today's class, we will build this page in today's class. If I go to the image, so at here you can see, if I zoom, add new brand, add new supplier, brand name, brand logo, origin country, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Bangladesh, USA, Australia, performance rating, status, actions, view, edit, deactive or delete, and the profile section. So the profile section is mostly okay in our e-commerce website. So what we have made in the previous video, products, add products, category, and orders. So now we have to build this section also in our dashboard, because this is the most important part, or you can say this is a part of our in our dashboard of our e-commerce website. Localhost 8000, dashboard, brand, suppliers. So what kind of products you are selling to the customers, you also have to understand that. The brand logo, the brand name, supplier, category, origin country, performance. So what is the form? If I click on the add new brand, then this form will be open for us. After choose the file, we can also select the file. So we have to make it today. In today's class, we will have to make it. But first of all, I have to make something sure. Laravel brand management system complete flow. I have create this image for you. Sidebar link by brand. First of all, we have to sidebar link in the sidebar button. We have to create a button like li or ul. After that, we have to fix the web.php route. We have to make the route. Web.php means we have to make the route. Route resources brand controller class. Okay. After that, we have to create a brand controller. After creating a brand controller, we are going to make a web.php route. After that, a view.blade, the UI, create blade.php in brand folder, index.blade.php in also brand folder. After that, we are gonna make the database by php artisan serve. So we have to create the form, we have to create the index file, we have to create the route also, and sidebar link and the brand controller. And if I zoom out, you can see the summary. And if I go to the Bangla explanation, এই সিস্টেমের মাধ্যমে আপনি সহজেই ব্র্যান্ড অ্যাড করতে পারবেন, সেভ করতে পারবেন, শো করতে পারবেন, এডিট করতে পারবেন, আপডেট করতে পারবেন, ডিলিট করতে পারবেন. By this system or by this whole management system, you can add a new brand, you can save it, you can show it, you can edit it, you can update it, and you can delete it. Sidebar link, route, controller, view, model, and database system. Also, I have made a PDF file for you, and you can see. First of all, we have to create a brand model. PHP artisan make model brand m. PHP artisan make model brand m. So after create the model or the fitness of the page, you can create a database table by migration. So we don't have to create a new table after make model. The table will create automatically. We also have to create it. After that, brand table migration, we have to use slug, name, image, status ইত্যাদি কলাম রাখা হয়, PHP artisan migrate করতে হবে. And after that, brand controller, PHP artisan make controller the instructor of our Laravel project in our brand section. And also we have to create a route or road to make the URL connection. And brand backend brands create.blade.php, backend create index.blade.php. We also have to do the delete function by the database and sidebar button link. And after we are going to clear the route, so that the old routing system will be clear. We are gonna make new route. So this is the whole process we are gonna do today. So stay with me, guys, and so let's start the class today. I hope you can hear me. So our project name is NEST e-commerce. You know, NEST e-commerce. Okay, if I go to the project and open the VS Code, normally we are gonna create the VS Code. Okay, after opening the VS Code, normally you can see our project is ready. After that, we have to go to the terminal, new terminal. Okay, our terminal has opened. PHP artisan serve to get the link localhost 8000. Okay, PHP artisan serve, PHP artisan serve. Okay, so I think our XAMPP is not opening. What's happened? And syntax error. Okay, route.php or where web.php, I think. Okay, if I go to the control P, web.php. Okay, number 8 number line. Okay, so in number 8 number line I just have to cut it. Okay, the head it is not necessary, control S. So I hope our not I do also these comments also. These comments are too painful. I have to cut it. I don't need the authentication routes. These comments are useless. Just cut it. We don't need any comment. Okay. It. Again cut it. And go to the bottom. Oh my god, so many errors. Okay, again. Any other error? We don't need this comment. Oh, so many comments. Cut it. Cut it. Dashboard. Admin. So I think our any other front end comment, I don't need it. Okay, cut and control S. So after that I'm gonna make again PHP artisan serve again. Okay, I fix it. 1 minute. I hope now this is perfectly will work. So control S. After that, where is our terminal? PHP artisan serve. Okay, 8 minutes has gone. Okay, normally URL has opened for us, and now we are gonna make the database system. After opening the XAMPP, start. Okay, so MySQL Apache is also fine. And if I go to the Chrome browser, localhost 8000, enter. So our project is ready. You can see. So guys, if I go to our project again, so localhost 8000. So Laravel has so many issues. So we have to calm down as a web developer and we have to go slowly. Then our project will be ready. So this is the last thing we have to do in the previous video. Also the container is also fine. The image is also fine. Okay. The image is also okay. Just now, normally we have to go to our dashboard. How to go to dashboard? /login. /login. Okay, after login, if I zoom out, login, you can see our dashboard. So our dashboard is absolutely fine. Close. So the JavaScript is ठीक है. The JavaScript is okay. Okay, it's also fine. And the add products is okay. The add products, the form is also fine. So what I have promised to you, if I go to the photos, I'm going to make this I'm going to make this section in today's class, brands and suppliers. We are going to make brands and suppliers section or page in today's class. So first of all, and if I go to the Chrome browser, orders is also fine. So we have to polish our dashboard a little bit. Okay guys, so guys, just normally we are going to make, so first of all we have to make a model name, brand name. Okay, Control C again, Control C. Okay, so PHP artisan brand minus M. That means our model is ready. After enter NEST e-commerce, it's also fine here. So after close it, Control P, brand brand.php. Okay, some mistaken. I have given a space. I don't give a space at here. Control V. Okay, so our brand.php and our migration table is also ready. So Control P, brand.php. I am going to make the model by myself. So I am going to proceed. Okay, ready. So normally I am going to, first of all, models and the Eloquent. Eloquent is also ready, the model. So okay, so use as factory. I can explain the code in today's class, but I also going to give a series for code explanation also. Protected the fillable part. The form we are gonna make. Okay, name, logo. Okay, category. Okay, category is also fine. And after that, origin country. So why we are gonna origin country? So why we want the origin country? If we go there and you will see origin country, the country logo or the country in our e-commerce website. So we also need a origin country in our model or brand.php. So after that, rating, 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 you can also see the photos here. Rating, what is the rating? SC, performance rating. That's also fine. After that, status, okay, that's it. So we have to close it. So our model is ready now. We have to be prepared for the table we have to make, because without the table we can't make a form of database table. So you can see brand table, create brand table.php, create table brand table.php 202681703745. After clicking it, a normally table has opened for us. So public function of void schema, create brands function, blueprint table, it's also fine. ID is also fine. Time expense is also fine, but the name will be string. So after the ID, I'm gonna create a table. So also the dollar symbol, table, string. So string, and after that name, you have to give a name. The name will be string format, and after that table. So table, okay, it will be also string, string string. So okay, it will be nullable the logo. So after that, logo, cut it, and here it will be nullable. So after that, we also have to make a copy it. Logo is also finished. After that, paste it, and at here it will be category. category, category, and it will be also nullable. After copy it and paste it at paste it at the bottom. So now we want the origin country. String category, it will be cut, and at here it will be origin country. So at here, so it will be nullable. It will be not nullable. Okay. So just copy it again and paste it at the bottom. Now at here it will be rating. And it will be default. The rating is must in default. You must give a rating to our products. Also you can skip it. No worry, but it will be default format and it will be 5 by 5. 5 by 5. Okay, that's it. So after that, the status will be boolean. Boolean means yes or no. Table boolean status default true. Okay, that's it. So after that, at last I am going to make the timestamp. So the address is boolean. So our table is finished, and we are gonna make, so just normally now we have to create a controller also. We are gonna create a controller. Okay, PHP artisan make controller backend slash and so backend slash controller brand controller brand controller, and our controller is also ready. So you can see controller is the instructor of our Laravel project. Brand controller. So that's it. So now we have to make some folders in our project. So if I go there, and in the resources, in the views, in the backend, you have to make a folder named brands. brands. After that, you have to make two files named index.blade.php. After that, you have to create create.blade.php. Okay, that's it. If I go there, so you have to cut it, backend folder open, brands folder open, create.blade.php. Just I have to rename it. After that, index.blade.php, and you have to rename it. And my health is not good. I hope you can hear me. I will tell you as much as it possible, right guys? So guys, as I promise you, if I go to the photos, I have to make a button named brand and suppliers, brands and suppliers, brand and suppliers. So for that, what we have to do, we have to make the web.php route system, brand controller, view file, and the database system, controller, view, model. So just I have to go sidebar blade.php, and if I go to the bottom, add products is fine, categories is fine, orders is fine, settings is fine. Just I am going to add down li plus a list tag. After that, menu items, menu item, request, L S ELS. After that, friends and a star. Okay, after that, I have to activate by active tag. We have to activate. After that, okay, some mistaken. So I have to make it by anchor tag. Pick it up. Okay. Route brand.index class. Okay. So after that, I have to take a iClass icon. So it's also finished. So as I told you, in a e-commerce website or in a Laravel project, we have to face multiple kinds of problem, multiple kinds of error. So what we have to do, we have to calm down and we have to solution our problems, right guys? So if I go to the bottom in the sidebar, you can see I have linked it up by active status and the brand.index in the route. And if I go to the bottom, I have copied it and pasted it from the source code in the brands backend brands index.blade.php. So what I have done here, I have layout master, I have included the layout master backend layouts master.blade.php. I have included this in the brand section. After that, the title will be brands and suppliers, and section will be content. These content are saved in the index.blade.php. The anchor link route is brand.create. After add new suppliers and clicking there, brand.create will be open, and after brand create.blade.php, you can see I have made a form here, and the CSRF token means the security, Laravel security of in a Laravel project. If the hacker or if anyone want to try to hack your account or attacks on your account, the CSRF token is the protection for to protect you in the project. So from section route brand.store, after that we have to give a post method in the form, and the multiple form data for we will need every data. After that, the brand name, origin country, the normal HTML tag, normal HTML code. After that, we have to end the section, and after saving product, if I go to the controller, you can see, okay, if I go to the table, you can see our ID is also fine. All ID will be unique, string, name, logo, category, origin country, and it will be default. The rating status will be default, but the logo and category will be nullable. It's also fine at here. After that, if I go to the brand controller, the controller is also fine with the instructions. So the construction, so the controllers are the instructor to our vegetable. Controller is the instructor in our Laravel project. So we have to return view it by the brand backend brands index in index competitive and by the brands, and at last I have to go to the bottom brand logo and then file exists public file uploads and by brands. We also need this, and if we go to the public folder, you can see a, if I go to the public folder, you can see a uploads folder, admin uploads. You can see uploads. In the uploads, you can see our products, right, guys? And at last, I hope, okay, brands delete, return redirect, brand.index, and you can brand deleted successfully. So this is the controller. So at last, I have to make. So at last, I have to go to the terminal, and now we have to set up the database. We have to set up the database. PHP artisan migrate. So after that we have to clear the route system also. XAMPP is also fine. What's happened here? So I am going to do here PHP artisan migrate. What's the issue at here? SQLite. Okay. PHP optimize clear. So after that PHP artisan migrate. Some issue at here I am going to see. So let's stay. Okay, create brand table at here. So guys, normally I have to PHP artisan migrate, and at last at here I am going to give you a advice. If the link up not working properly, you can type PHP artisan make clear, PHP artisan migrate fresh code, PHP artisan migrate fresh code, PHP artisan migrate fresh code. Just normally, if you link up not open, just normally type PHP artisan migrate fresh. So by this code, after enter, your database will be fresh and the old errors will be clear, or the old data will be clear, and you can start from new. So after that, PHP artisan serve and enter, you can see a normally URL will open for us. After that, I am going to the Chrome browser and normally type here localhost. Okay, localhost server. Our project is ready. You can see the link up is also fine at here. So feature products, no products available. And if I go to the top, normally I am going to login and login our, so you can see our dashboard is ready and the product supplier. See products and suppliers. You can see products and suppliers. Our products is also fine. The add products is also fine. Okay, and if I go back, so if I go to the photos, I promised you how to make this. First of all, we have to the sidebar link in the sidebar .blade.php. We also have to make the route, and after that, the controller we have to instruct it by the brand controller, the view folder, brand model and database, and after that, schema. I mean the table structure will be like this: string, slug, unique, nullable will be the image, status will be the default, and at here at last sidebar, route, controller, view, model, and then the database. And if I go to the second picture, you can see our brands and suppliers is also open for us. Brands and suppliers is also open for us. And if I go to the dashboard, and if I click here, brands and suppliers, you can see a normal page is open for us. So this is the page I have made in today's class. So I am going to make you that this is an experimental video. So I'm going to make projects. I can do mistake. I can use some source code of mine, some projects of mine to solve the error. So this is not a cheating or this is not a bad effect. Just I'm going to create the project. So what I have made in today's class. After add new brand, a form will open for us. A form will open for us. So after that, fake filler. So you can see brand name. So normally a normal brand name Nestle. Nestle. If I go there and normally go to the image, so Nestle is open for us. So just normally I'm going to save the image by Nestle. Okay. And choose the file Nestle, open, and the brand name will be Nestle. So you can see our origin country Germany. What you have as one, okay, Germany. You can give another name, country name, or you can give another brand name. Just I'm going to show you. After save brands, you can see our project is ready. Our brand section is ready. So the images also come. Nestle. Category is this. Germany 5x5. And if I type here a normally or London coffee brand. Okay, if I go to the image, so you can cappuccino. So you can also save this by London cappuccino. London cappuccino. So I have saved it, and if I go there, if I go back, and if I go the add new brands, so fake filler, choose the file and London cappuccino. So the country will be London and it will be cappuccino. Brand name cappuccino, origin country is London, category is this, and our choose file is ready. After save brands, so you can see cappuccino, our image is ready, category is this, London. So you can update it in your dashboard or in your business day by day. And if I zoom, you can see the images is fine. Nestle cappuccino. And if I zoom out, so you can see like a brand name like McDonald's. So go to the image. So normally McDonald's. Okay, I'm going to save it. McDonald's, and after that add new brands, fake filler, choose file, McDonald's, open, and at here our brand name will be McDonald's. Origin country will be McDonald's. Which country? I think America. I hope America. Okay, America. So after that the country will be America. So after saving products, okay, so McDonald's, cappuccino, Nestle, Simon Wells. So this is even deleted, also delete. I don't need the business owner or the e-commerce website owner don't need this Simon Wells, so he can also delete it. So okay, so it also has been deleted. So Nestle, cappuccino, McDonald's is also fine. Country code is also fine. America, London, Germany. Performance rate is also fine. And you can, if you want something in additional information here, I can also add it. So just right now, what we have to do, we have to do our dashboard. We also have to polish. And if I go to the image, we also have to make something. Products variant attribute, category orders we have, categories we don't have, subcategories we don't have. Inventory and stock is most important and is it's necessary for our dashboard. So we have made this product supplier. So just normally I am going to give you a summary. I hope you can hear me. Okay, just normally I'm going to give you a summary. What we have to do, first of all, we have to make the sidebar link in the button. What is the button? So this is the sidebar. A brands and supplier button we have to create. After that, where is the image? Okay, the web.php means the route. The road. If someone wants to go somewhere, then he needs a map. So this is the routing system or the road URL and controller. Correction. After that, the brand controller, we have to make the controller also. So the whole branding system or the brands index.blade.php, create.blade.php, these all instructions are going to give brand controller. He is the boss. View blade by the UI, create blade.php, index.blade.php. We also make the database system. And after that, sidebar, route, controller, view, model. So that's it, guys. So guys, that's the class is today. And normally I'm going to tell you that if I type the code manually, if I type every code manually, then the project will never end. Like if you go to the index dot the backend dashboard index, so just you can see, so you can see 471 codes have done. 471 codes are writing here. So every file has 500 codes. So if I type it manually, it will never end. But I will give you a series for the important codes, like for else every important codes. I'm going to explain it to you in the next series. So in the next video, I think I'm going to make something about the dashboard or the homepage feature product. So I also made the product details.blade.php. You can see the every product. So that's it. So that's it for today. I am Imamur. I am a learner and a web developer. So be with me. Happy coding. Wait for the next video. Bye.